In this EPPIC tutorial video, we will cover cell classification and go through several examples of interpolation errors. To understand why these come about, we first need to discuss cell types. In this example, we see an airfoil zone which lies in the world zone. The world zone is currently not visible. In this example, we have the following cell types: live cells, interpolation boundary condition cells, wall boundary condition cells, and O-mesh boundary condition cells. Live cells are cells in which flow equations are solved. They are surrounded by at least two cells in each computational direction. All cells currently highlighted are live cells. Cells that are not live should either be prescribed a boundary condition or look for interpolation from another overlapping grid. The cells at the grid boundary receive interpolation from the world zone. The cells at the airfoil wall should be prescribed a wall-type boundary condition. The cells at the wake should be prescribed an O-mesh type boundary condition. Cells that are not live, not prescribed a boundary condition, and cannot find an interpolation become orphan points and raise compilation errors. In this case, the wall cells registered as interpolation errors since a wall condition was not defined at the boundary. In this next case, we can see there are interpolation errors around the wing collar. Looking into the wing collar zone in edit mode, it appears interpolation errors occurred because the cut by bodies option is enabled for this zone. In this next example, we can see there are interpolation errors in the stabilizer area. Looking into the fuselage in edit mode, it appears the envelope is too big, therefore causing interpolation errors. We can repair this by limiting the size of the envelope.